Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video here, I'm going to show you on how you can insert tables and graphs in Microsoft 365 Word. So everyone knows sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. So adding tables, charts, and graphs to your document can help readers visualize and digest the information contained and add some visual interest in the bar game. So here I'll be showing you on how you can insert tables and graphs on your Microsoft 365 Word. First up, we'll be adding a document right here. Now to insert a table, so basically tables may be easily added to a text document. That's all you need to do. Just place the cursor in document where you want to insert the table. Then click on Insert tab at the top left. And once you click on that, go to Table section and you want to select here either you want 2 by 1, 3 by 1, or like 3 by 2 or 3 by 3 table, or if you want like a Roger one which is 6 by 3 as like this. Or if you want to go to insert table, and you can just specifically just edit the table size. Here on number of columns, you can change the number of rows, and also you can go here on auto fit behavior. For example, if you go to number of columns, you can basically just select any columns that you want and the rows. And you can select here if you want fixed column width, auto fit to the content or the window. In this case, I'm going to select fixed column width and click OK. And there you have it. So we have just added the table right here. So as simple as that, just need to go to the Insert tab and select the column and size of the table that you want to insert. Now you just have to basically select here, hover your mouse and that in this area so you can easily grab that table on your document. Now what I'm going to do next is, well, basically I'm going to delete this column first, or tables, and this time I'll be showing you how to convert text to a table. So sometimes text in a document may be better illustrated as a table. So to convert existing text to a table, first highlight text to be converted to a table. Go to Insert tab, click Table, select Convert Text to Table. Now a dialog box opens. As you can see, you can basically change the table size, number of columns and rows, and also the auto fit behavior. Here, for example, you can basically click on the drop down menu or the arrow button to change the number of columns. You can basically select fixed column width and also the separate text at paragraphs, commas, text, or tabs, or other. In this case, I'm going to select commas. And then if you're going to click on OK, so this will be the result. So as you can see, we have just converted the text into a table. Now if you want to change it, right over here, click again and convert text to table. This time, I'm going to select the separate text at paragraphs, for example. Now, it will automatically change the number of column and size. So there you have it. We have just added the table and convert a text to a table. Now, the next one here is inserting a picture, clip art, shape, smart art graphic, or screenshot. So pictures and graphics add punch to your document, but remember not to overdo them. They are there to enhance your information, not eclipse it. So to add your picture, for example, place your cursor right here on Insert section, and we have some options here on illustrators. We have pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art graphics, chart, and screenshot. To basically add or insert a picture, go to Pictures options here. And here we have an options if you want to insert picture from your device. So if you click on this device, then you just need to select a picture from your folder or from your computer. Or if you're going to click on stock images, then it will open up the internet and show you the stock images right over here. And you just have to go to the search box to specifically find your stock images that you want to add to your document. So just select and then click on insert. So Basically, you just have to wait for a few seconds and the image will be added. The next one here, if we're going back to the pictures option, now in this case, we're going to select the online pictures. Then as you can see, it will open up the Bing search and you will find the categorized pictures. Like if you want airplane, animals, apple, autumn, background, balloons, baseball, beach, birds, or any categories that you want. For example, I just want to add like soccer category, and then you will find here all of the pictures about the soccer category. So if we're going to select this one and click insert, so as you can see here, an error occurred. So basically we'll need to change the image. So again, click on pictures and click online pictures. And here you just have to select the image that we want. Again, go back to the soccer category. Then we're going to click on the first one, which is the soccer ball, and then click insert. So wait for a few seconds and the image will be added to your document. All right. So there you go. And again, if you're going to change the image right from here or image style, you can basically hover your mouse at the picture format and just have to choose any of the format or frame that you want to add to your picture or image. So you can just select here, drop shadow. If you want like reflected rounded rectangle. So basically it takes a second to change the frame. So just choose right here, either you want a thick frame, or if you want like rounded or like this beveled oval like this one. And we have also some modern frames that you can basically use to change the style. For example, this one here is like reflected perspective right image. So basically you just have to scroll down, and sometimes that image is going to the next page like this. So you can basically also change it like this one, or if you want like a reflected one or has a shadow like this with a reflection, or like an oval design. There you go. So you just have to use any of the style that you want right over here. So you can choose any modern design or the look that you want. Next, we have also some shapes right here. If we're going to add some shapes, you'll find the recently used shapes, lines. We have the rectangles, basic shapes, black arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. So in this case, I'm going to select a callout right here. So all you need to do, you just need to use your mouse to basically drag or write down the graphic that you want. So there you have it. And here you can customize or edit this image. You can go to the styles, shape styles if you want a color, transparent color, black, or like this orange color. And we can basically change the shape field, shape outline, and shape effects. So for example, you want like reflection like this, and then we can add some of the text inside this like graphic. So like this, like sample, and then you can basically change the word art style depending on your preference here. If you want to change the text direction, for example, so just change the align text. So you can actually rotate the text like this, and you can basically align the text if you want on top, at the middle, and at the bottom. And you can also add your link like this. So you can add some link to basically go to that linked website. Next one here, next graphics I want to show you here. So first up, I'm going to delete this graphic that I just added. Now in this case, I'm going to like add another one, which is the icons. So once you click on icons, it will basically open up the stack images. And here you will find the category, which is the icons, and you will find your different icon that you can basically add to your document. So depending on the title or the a document description. So you can add your graphic like this. So yeah, so it's just as simple as that. You can basically go to insert sections and then go to the icons, and it will open up the internet or the stock images. You can basically go to cut out people if you want like this, or like stickers. We have some different categories too. Or if you want some illustrations, basically I love to add some illustrations on my documents. So just basically select any of the illustrations here, and then we can add the cartoon people. So for example, if we're going to select here any cartoon design like this, so you can basically choose one here. So as you can see, we have a lot of choices. So we can use that stock images, or you can basically upload images from your computer. Next one here, I want to show you the one of the best graphic here is the 3D model. You can add from your device, or you can select stock 3D models. As you can see, it will open up again the internet, and it will show you some categories here. What 3D model would you like to add to your document? For example, I want to add like a building, right? So click on view all, and it will show you all the 3D models referring on a building. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select this one, then click insert. So as you can see, it takes time, so you want to wait for a few seconds right here. So as you can see, we have just added the 3D model. So you can basically adjust this, and if you're going to click on this icon at the middle, then you can basically rotate the image and select the display or direction of the 3D model design that you would like to show on your document. So as you can see, it is very modern part this way. So this is one of the best feature of the Microsoft Word 365. And here on insert, you can also add some like this one, smart art graphics. If you want to add like list, for example, just select any list right from here and then click on OK. So this one is the preview, and click OK. And there you go. So we have just added this smart graphics, or smart art graphics. And then we can add another smart art graphic. We have here like a process, cycle, hierarchy, relations, matrix, pyramid, pictures, or from office.com. Now in this case, for example, you want like a cycle, and you want a this example here, and it, as you can see, the preview, and then click OK. So this will add it to your document. So same color or banding to your document. So it automatically changes the color and text style. Now, another way here, adding some graphics, is by using this chart. So we have different charts here. We have the templates, column, line, pie, bar, area, XY, map, stock, surface, or if you want radar, tree map, sunburst, histogram, box, and whisker, waterfall, funnel, and the combo. Now in this case, I'm going to select one of the graph right here, or chart, for example this one. So click OK, and there you go. Now as you can see, it will open up the Microsoft Excel like options here, so you can edit the details on the chart. Now other way here to add some graphics is by adding your screenshot. So this is one of the best feature of the Microsoft 365. Alright, so going to insert tab again and select screenshot. Click screen clipping. So as you can see, if you're going to take a screenshot, then it will be automatically inserted on your document. So there you go. So that's how you basically insert the tables and graphics on your Microsoft 365 document. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.